Do you know you can use ChatGPT to grow your channel, to get views on your channel, and to make monetization on your channel? Do you know that? Or you're just asking ChatGPT how to make that guy like you. Listen, in this video, we are going to be doing this together. Get your mommy's phone, get your daddy's phone, get a second phone. Let's do this together. The prompt I'm going to be giving ChatGPT is going to be like a first thing. So I want us to do it together. But it is not a first time in the sense that I use ChatGPT always for my content. I tell ChatGPT, I don't know what to post. Give me what to post. Oh, I know what to post. Portray it for me. Oh, I have an idea, but I don't know how to go about it. What do you think? I use ChatGPT every time. So now in this video, we're going to be going to ChatGPT right now, and we are going to be telling ChatGPT some prompts that I want you to do what to ask ChatGPT also, because I believe you're watching this video because you want to make your channel grow, you want to get views and get monetized. So get your phone and let's ask ChatGPT this question. The first question I'm asking is, hello, can you be my YouTube growth strategist and coach? Absolutely, I can be your YouTube growth strategist and coach. We can set up a clear path where I'll help you with. So it listed channel growth, content planning, SEO, retention, monetization, analytics tracking. To start with, I would need to know what your channel is about and who is your target audience. How often can you realistically upload? Are you aiming for fast growth, steady brand building, or steady brand building growth? I just asked one question, no, and look at what ChatGPT is already giving us. It is ready. Are you ready? Because me, I am ready. I already have list of ideas for this my channel, but I want to do it with you guys so that we are going to experience it together. Do you get? So now it's already said it needs to know my channel and what my channel is about and how often I can upload realistically and what I am aiming for. So I'm going to send it a prompt now. So I said my channel is about YouTube growth, earning tips, and I just started introducing African folktale tips and how to on my channel. My target audience are content creators, small YouTubers, and anyone who wants to grow on YouTube. I have I can upload twice a week and I'm aiming for fast growth and steady brand building growth. Can I share my channel link so you can further understand my content? And it said yes, you can share your channel link. That way I can review your content video, title, thumbnail, and overall branding to give you specific tailored growth strategies instead of just generic advice. Once I see your channel, I can suggest video topic with high search potential in your niche. Point out SEOs and branding tweaks to make your videos more clickable. Give you content calendar for your twice a week posting. Show you how to blend the YouTube growth niche with African folktale tips without confusing your audience. Go ahead and drop your link. I'm going to do that now. I hope you're also doing it because I said we are doing this together. I hope you are doing it. Just be taking that prompt as I'm dropping it, be taking it and go and be posting it. I've sent ChatGPT my channel link. While we wait for it to generate the advice and strategy it has, I want to say have it at the back of your mind that you need to be very honest with ChatGPT. It said how realistically can you upload? You need to make sure that when it gives you, this is what you should do for 2 weeks or 1 week, you need to do it. Are you getting it? So now I've sent my link and it said thank you for sharing your link. Current channel overview, branding and niche. Your channel warmly position itself around YouTube growth, covering how to earn tips and strategy for content creator while blending in unique content like African folktale tips. It is a distinctive mix that can easily resonate if balanced well. The next step, this is a deep content audit. I would love if you can share a few screenshots or link showing your channel banner, logo, and playlist. So right now it is telling me to share some things I'm going to be sharing with it so that it will give me like a deep and full audit. I'm going to be doing that right now and see see you guys later. But I hope when I see you, you are also doing what I'm doing. Because like I said, I'm going to upload this. So the prompt is what I want you to be putting into your own ChatGPT and doing exactly that. So let me do my own. So now I've sent it image of my banner, my logo, my few of my videos with the title and everything, and also my subscriber count, my typical view range, and last thing is my brand voice. Now I've told it to really be very honest with me so that I'm going to really understand, and I've seen lots of things that it is telling me, especially my title and my thumbnail. I do say, oh, how much is it paying for 1,000 views? And it's telling me that instead of just putting that, I can put something at the forefront and then put how much YouTube paid me. And then in my description, my how much YouTube paid me should be repeated like 2 to 3 times in my description in the first sentence. So 1,000 views, how much YouTube pays, CPM, YouTube. Those are the keywords. I want to mention where it is saying I'm losing viewers and subscribers. Where you are losing viewers and subscribers, it is telling me. So say your thumbnail, number one, your thumbnail look too similar. Almost every video is you pointing with red text. People scrolling will think they've already seen the video, even if they haven't. That's really true. I think I should change that. I don't think. I think I should change that. The next thing is red text on black background is hard to read on small screen. Fix. Change color often. Add variety. Sometimes no face. Sometimes big icon. Sometimes bright background. Limit word into 3 to 4, 3 to 5 max. You see that I'm telling people what is wrong with my channel, and I think I'm going to be working on that. I'm going to be working on that. Your title are not punchy enough. They are okay, but they don't make people feel I need to click now. Too many start with how much YouTube pays. And he said after 2 to 3 times, people get bored. Fix. Mix curiosity with specific. Example, instead of how much YouTube pays for 1,000 in 2025, try this is what 1,000 views paid me in 2025. Or YouTube paid me more than usual for 1,000 views. That makes sense. Omo, he said another thing. He said first 10 seconds didn't hit hard enough. People click, but many might leave fast if it starts to slow. If you start with a long intro or explanation, you lose them. Start with this video you're watching made me so amount in 2 days. Here is how. And it is saying I'm not using shorts to put in new viewers. Short are the fastest way to grow on YouTube. You could upload every long video into 2 to 3 shorts. It's because I'm scared to get the subscribers and them not watching my long form. That's why I'm not really banking on shorts. Okay, he said this thing about two niche. He said YouTube goes and African folktale is interesting, but right now they look like two random channel in one. So what I should do is make playlists and push them ad. Grow on YouTube fast. I should have a playlist for that, and I should have a playlist for African folktale channel. I'm gonna adjust that in my studio, and I should use different thumbnail style for each niche so people know what is what. Hmm. So the brutal honest truth is right now your channel looks like you are trying to grow instead of looking like a channel that already knows what works. Viewers don't give second chances. They click based on instant trust. That's thumbnail and title, and stay for fast, valuable content. If you fix the first impression, that's thumbnail, title, and variety, your views will jump fast. I'm happy. So it's actually redesign 10 recent thumbnail to look different. Post 2 long video a week. Post 2 to 3 shorts a week for my old videos and my new ones. And I should make the first 10 seconds punchy, curiosity, and give instant value. And now it is telling that it can give me 1 month posting calendar that I can, be using. So it will give me video title, thumbnail idea, short plan so that I can record and plan. So my mic already went off, and I really love this, and I hope you told ChatGPT to be brutal and honest with you so that you can get the main strategy from your channel, because that's what you want. You want it to be your coach and your strategist, so you need to tell it exactly. So now I'm going to be doing just that. I'm going to go to my channel now and separate my African folktale videos, because I just started. I've uploaded like 2, so I'll separate it and also work on my thumbnail. and also my title. So I hope you are also going to do that. And thank you, ChatGPT, for being honest with me. And yes, I use ChatGPT to generate views, but I don't tell it to be my strategy and my coach. So this is what you need to be doing for any channel that you might have. So any niche, you need to do this. So anyways, I think I'm also going to be doing this for my other channels to see what it is going to say. So this is going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for being here with me, for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.